I'm reviewing these AKA Unicorn False Nails. They're bendable and they're extension tips. It comes with 240 pieces. They're ultra thin and flexible, natural and reusable, comfortable fit, and color fast. So this is really nice. I already have some here in my hand and they do bend really easily. They do, like, they don't hurt you when they scratch, like maybe the corners here, but they're really nice. So if you want to do stuff DIY, because you know getting your nails done with a nail tech can be pricey, and this is like a good alternative if you start learning how to do it yourself. And it comes with so many of them, so it'll last you a good bit. Also, these are all numbered, and I got the smallest one, I think number 1, I'm pretty sure 1 or 10. This is 10, my bad. This is 10, but like I don't know if you can see here. I think you see a little bit the number, but this one fits my pinky, so, and it really fits well, and that's good. So for all your nail sizes, like depends on the size of your nail, you just have to try each one and see which one fits. And then, so yeah, this is like really great for people who want to learn how to do their nails and want to do it at home to save money, or people who are nail techs and want to restock on some supplies, because it comes with like different ones because everyone's nail is different. And yeah, I really do like this a lot.